Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. That was the last stock launch you guys will witness on this channel, because today the TRX is getting taken apart. And I know it took a very, very long time, but it was very hard to find a shop that's willing to work on this truck because it's such a new platform. A lot of people are scared to work on it. Also, everyone was so busy, but I finally found somebody that's willing to work on it, and we are headed there right now to take apart the TRX. This truck shouldn't take that long to get done. I think probably by the next video or 2 more videos, it'll be done. Literally, it's like a 3-day thing, and I just cannot wait to experience this truck with more power. Already has 702 horsepower. I was able to get a 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Imagine if we can get in the 2s. So lately, I've been averaging 11 miles per gallon, which is amazing. All right, time to top this truck out. We're done. So we got the TRX in here, and the blower is about to come out. Let me just show you guys where the blower is. It's all the way back there. It's literally tucked in there. Bam, right there. The main reason they did that is because of weight distribution. There's obviously nothing in the back of the truck. There's no weight, and they tried to put the blower as close to the middle as possible, which is why they pushed it back right there. It's literally under the dash of the car. It's gonna be a little hard to take it out. You gotta obviously take this off, this, that, this, and then it'll come off. It's a little harder than a regular Hellcat, but it's gonna get done, and I'm just so excited for that. The Supercharger is finally out of the truck. We got the stock pulley, the throttle body, everything is here, out of the truck. And now let me show you guys what the TRX looks like without the Supercharger. So here it is, just the 6.2, and we covered all the cylinders. It was pretty annoying to take out, I'm not gonna lie, just because you don't have any room over there. And these right here come out like this. So they come out like this, and basically they hit like right there. So it's kind of difficult to take out, but the guy was super careful, and he was able to take it out in literally like 45 minutes. We had to remove a few things like this. We drained the coolant, the Supercharger coolant as well. We took the intake out. We took a few things off, but the Supercharger is finally out, and it's ready to go now. You guys are probably wondering, why did we take it off? Well, we are taking it to jokerz Performance tomorrow morning. We got a long ride to Chicago to take the Supercharger to them. They're gonna do some work, and it's gonna be an awesome time, because every time I go to jokerz, I get to meet Brett, the owner. He's good people. He's always taking care of me, and I'm just excited to finally get this thing done, man. It's been 2 months in the works. So this video will get continued tomorrow. So for you guys, it'll be in 5 seconds. For me, it'll be in about 12 hours. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is the next day, and look what we got here. We got my TRX Supercharger here, and we also got my buddy's Red Eye Supercharger. And today we are headed to jokerz Performance. First stop, we gotta get some 87 for this bad boy. Ooh, they heard my mixtape is dropping. Are you about to listen to it?
Hell no.
Why? You're not gonna support your boy?
No.
And we are going. We're about to make our 5-hour trip down to Illinois, baby. You guys ready?
Yeah.
We're only an hour away. How was the drive?
Man, that felt so good. I was holding it in for 4 hours.
I'm sorry, I made you hold it in.
Yeah.
Well, everybody get some food?
After.
Oh, not right now?
We drop off the SXT blowers.
Bro, this is the baddest gas station. It literally has Dunkin' Donuts, food, poker. I mean, literally has everything. I didn't want to stop. I usually do not like stopping, but this guy had to use the bathroom. Like, you're such a little kid.
I had to go. What do you mean?
The blowers are in there. What is up?
Oh, this isn't mine. Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you.
Look. Bro, stop always trying to make friends with people. Like, no one cares.
You're trying to be a good Samaritan.
I know. He didn't even drop anything. He literally kicked something on the floor. But anyways, guys, the blowers are here. They're doing
Why don't
good.
you open the trunk to show them?
I'm not about to open the truck for all these people to see what the I got in there. This is a lot of money back there, man. Let me tell y'all what I got. I got a croissant. That bacon just go. I got a croissant with cheese and bacon.
Let me get a bite.
You know my f***ing bites.
Let me get a bite.
I don't know my f***ing bite. This is my sandwich.
All right.
My sandwich.
Okay.
I don't share my sandwich.
Okay. Now I know for next time. Don't ask me for my sandwich.
I don't know if I ever asked you for your sandwich.
Don't act like you did it behind the camera.
I've never asked this man for a sandwich. Alright guys, we're here with Brett, the owner of Jokerz, and you also got the Jokerz hat. I got one too right here. I got my own right here. So here we got both the blowers. This is my friend's blower. I don't think you guys care about that, but here is my TRX blower. So talk to us. What are you going to be doing with it?
All right, well, we're going to do what we always do. We're going to do our race package to it. We're going to stick with the stock throttle body for now because, well, finding a throttle body right now is
Yeah, it's on back order.
back order everywhere on every company. We're going to go with Dusterhoff pulley, and then we're just going to put the ported bearing plate on there with the race bearings, and then we're going to put our silencer bushings in there and finish it off with a CNC ported snout, and, you know, hopefully get Ronnie back home today.
Right, and make some power out of this thing. So I'm gonna let him do his thing. I'm gonna explain to you guys the different pulleys that I'm gonna be running. So here are the two different pulleys that I will be running. Here we got a GripTech 285, which is gonna be my daily pulley that I will be using. Okay, so for driving daily, if I gotta take a road trip, I will be running this pulley. Now, when the truck is on kill, I will be running this pulley. This is a Kurt Dusterhoff pulley. So this is his custom pulley that he makes, and it's pretty cool. It's red, and they have a bunch of different sizes and all different colors. So this is gonna be the pulley that I will be running when I'm on kill. This is a 239 pulley. This is a 285 pulley, and then here are the things that come with the pulley. So you get this as well. I'll show you guys that. I think it goes somewhat like, I don't know, flip it over, something like this. So here's what the pulley looks like, and something like that. And then here's the GripTech. So daily pulley, kill pulley. So two different pulley sizes. And the main reason I'm not gonna be on kill at all times is because I'm driving my TRX all the way to California, and I am not gonna have the truck on kill the entire way with a trailer towing my Charger. So I also wanna shout out FIC, Fuel Injector Clinic. They sent me these badass injectors. These are the 1200cc injectors. So shout out to them for these injectors. The main reason I need these injectors are because I'm gonna be running E85, and these are the same injectors I run on my Challenger Red Eye, and I also have a set at home for my Charger Red Eye. Now I'm installing them on my TRX, so I'm gonna pretty much have them for all of my vehicles. They're really nice injectors, and they do the job if you wanna run E85 on your TRX, Trackhawk, Hellcat, whatever you need. They're awesome people, and I love their injectors. And here are where the injectors are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the other side you pretty much have to remove the fuel rail, and then you simply you know, just plug and play. They also sent me a t-shirt, so shout out to them. And then here's a few other things they sent me. So awesome injectors, check them out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, so do not forget to check them out. So here we also got a bunch of blown Hellcat blowers. that weren't properly tuned by some tuners out there. I'm not gonna mention any names, but there's pretty much a little bit of every tuner out here. They show up to Brett f***ed up, and he has to fix some of them, part them out, and here are all the fucked up ones. You got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, he got quite a few here. So anyways, now we're gonna go, I don't know where we're going, but we're gonna leave Jokerz Performance for a little bit, let him work on the blower, then we're gonna come back, pick it up, explain everything that he did to it, and be on our way back home. Alright guys, so we are back. Here is my TRX blower, all the way done. Here's another blower that Brett did. It's just opened up. He's gonna explain to you guys what was done to mine using this because it's opened up.
Alright, so what we got here is we take the blowers apart, take everything up, tear it all the way down, clean everything. As you can see from the original part of the video where he took a video of it, everything was dirty. Now everything's all nice and clean, and we take it through our cleaning process and make sure there's no debris, dirt, or anything left on top of it, or inside of it for that matter. Well anyways, then we take the stock bearing plate out, and as you can see, we do a CNC profile port work on it. And then we have our silencer bushings, which get rid of the rattle noise that you may hear in your supercharger. So if you want those, we openly sell those all the time. And then we install our custom dome cap, which matches the profile of the CNC port work, so that way we get the most airflow going over this rotor with very little turbulence. Well, then we come in here. As you can see, our CNC port work is gasket matched to the profile of the bearing plate.
Nice, nice.
And as you can see, we clean everything up and everything's nice and done. And we actually remove the snout in its stock casted form weighs 8.6 pounds. When we're done with it, it weighs 6.9 pounds. So we remove 1.9 pounds of material from the snout and only about 0.7 from here. This package is roughly worth 50 to 60 horsepower on 93 and on the 85 upwards of 80 horsepower, and in some occasions 100 plus horsepower. On Ronnie's blower, we put some FIC injectors for him.
So
we got those installed.
Here are the stock ones. The FIC are on there, so that's cool. Also, we got the grip tech here for my daily driving. We also have the stock throttle body. The main reason we still have the stock throttle body is because they're on back order. So we're gonna leave my buddy's blower here. That's gotta get done and shipped back to him. And my blower is all the way done. We swapped the pulley that I just had, which was a 275 to a 285. We put a 275 by accident, but now we got the 285 in there. That's all done. All I'm really waiting for is the throttle body, the racing intercooler, but pretty much everything is done. We're getting ready to take the blower and drive all the way back home. But shout out to Jokerz Performance for taking care of me yet again. This is the third blower they did for me. They did my Charger Red Eye, Challenger Red Eye, and now the TRX. So shout out to them, and also shout out to FIC for the injectors. Also, big shout out to HB Tuners for unlocking my PCM for the TRX and sending me credits. They literally unlocked my PCM in 2 days. I sent it and it was literally back in 2 days. You can't really tune your Trackhawk, TRX, Hellcat without unlocking your PCM, so they offer a great service to unlock it. And also shout out to Kurt. That's who's going to be tuning my TRX. All their links are in the description below. They're all great people and I love dealing with them, but the video is coming to an end. We are getting ready to take the blower and drive all the way back home. We got about a 5-hour drive back home. My friends are super tired. We got one here. He looks like a sad puppy. Are you tired?
I'm so tired.
I'm sorry, buddy. And we got Matt over there. He's literally sleeping. He's done. I mean, I'm sorry for putting you guys through this. Thank you guys for coming, but it's time to end the video. So let me know what you guys think of that. I cannot wait to go back home and install the blower and load up the tune and get the TRX going. I am so excited to see how fast it's gonna get. We are also gonna dyno the TRX, so there's a lot of cool videos coming your way. So leave a like, leave a comment, and a subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.